We're here at Nintendo World, guys. Yan. Yan pala yung house ni... Sorry guys, ang hirap. Kanina ko pa iniisip kaninong house ni... Good morning guys, another day here in Japan. So yes, we're here in Osaka. And for today, we're going to Universal Studios, Japan. So we're actually right here already. We're going to the entrance. So dito pa lang ang ganda na guys. And I'm getting so excited. We got our tickets and our passes through Klook. For tickets, hindi na-apply yung promo code, but if you get like mga passes, you can use my Klook promo code FGS Klook para maka-discount kayo doon. The reason why we got passes is to make sure na makapunta kami doon sa Nintendo World, yung Harry Potter at saka yung ibang attractions na priority namin mapuntahan, and especially if they're super popular. But here's the entrance. So excited. Guys, ang yung first pass namin is yung Nintendo World. That's 1 PM pa. So since 1 PM pa siya, mag-iikot muna kami na mabibilhan ng mga merch, and we'll get to have something to eat siguro. So bibili kami ng Mario hat or cap. Luigi. Ito ang laki pa ng alien. Ang cute din neto guys kasi baliktaran siya. Pwede si Luigi at si Mario. This is for 4,500 yen. So, and the reason why I got this is that if I'm in a mood for Luigi, then we're Luigi, especially naka matchy-matchy din sa green bag ko and then green pants. Pero if I'm in a mood of being Mario, then I can change that. Ayan. So hindi ko muna siya ma-fit kasi I'm in a mood of Luigi right now. We got this from this store. Pagkababa niyo ng train, maraming mga stores dito. This is the Universal Studios store. Maraming options siya. Any characters meron dyan. So actually nakapasok na kami kanina. Bumalik lang just to buy this, but I think there are stores inside. So let's go inside na. Mamaya bibili pa tayo ng iba yung parang mga merch. Especially ng cute na ganito. I got this sa Disneyland. So gusto kong bumili yung Mario na parang flower. Pag kinain ni Mario, nagkaka-superpower siya. And ang nabili ni Ariel is Mario hat, tapos Harry Potter Hogwarts na scarf. Yes. Guys, nakapasok na kami. Marami ding nabibilhan na merch store or maraming shop or Universal Studio store sa loob, syempre kasi nasa loob na. And then maraming kainan dito at ang saya. Ayan, maganda kasi meron siyang shade kahit parang outdoor siya. And then naghahanap na kami kung saan kami kakain. After this is sa Nintendo kami, so maybe somewhere na malapit sa area doon. I think karamihan ng mga restaurants dito is burger.
Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life.
We're now going to the Nintendo World. Meron kaming pass doon. 1:40 PM yung entry namin. So papunta na kami doon. We're here at Nintendo World, guys. So let the adventure begin. Here we are, guys. Ayan, it feels like you're in a game. Parang nasa loob ka talaga ng actual game. Mamaya, we will ride like that. Guys, kakatapos lang namin sa Mario Kart. What do you think of the game, Yep?
Kaya daming tao.
Sobrang haba ng pila, guys, especially if you don't have pass. Grabe yung effects niya, amazing. Nasa glass lang lahat, 3D siya, parang 4D siya that you're taking the ride. Yung mismong nasa movie na nakipag-race si Mario sa mga kalaban. So yun yung mismo. So pupunta ulit kami sa next ride namin. Ito yung ride kanina, guys, Mario Kart. So while waiting, yung pila is parang nasa loob ka ng Kingdom ng Dragon. Ano pangalan ulit ng Dragon, Ye? Kalimutan ko na. We're now on our second ride here. We don't have a pass here, so we're now in a normal line. So we'll see kung gaano kahaba. Ito yung popular ride na parang nasa loob ka mismo ng game, tapos chill and slow ride lang siya sa parang Mario World. The ride is called Yoshi, and it's currently 2:20. Let's see how long will it take for us to get to the ride. Chill ride lang siya, pero at the same time ang fun niya kasi parang nasa game ka talaga. Pero I think mabilis lang tong ride na to. Slow siya pero hindi siya gaano kahaba yung track niya. There. Guys, so we're here for a quick snack. It's currently 3:39 PM. Guys, we got our seats and here's our order number. Medyo matagal din yung pila, guys. So we're now waiting for our order. Ang daming tao din. So our order, guys, we have the kitty burger with free Mario burger topper. That's why we got the kitty one, because of Mario topper. We also have dessert, tiramisu, and then pizza. There's pizza inside, guys. So that's it. Itadakimasu. So, magugustuhan to ng kids niya, guys, kasi merong free Mario topper. Let's start with tempura. At bag. Let's try the dessert from the kiddie meal. Wow, this is good, guys. Final dessert, it's tiramisu. So here's my verdict, guys. I recommend to try getting the burger. And then for dessert, for some reasons, mas gusto ko yung dessert ng kiddie meal kesa dun sa tiramisu na in-order namin. So after namin mag-lunch dun sa Kinocchio's Cafe, it's now time for Harry Potter Sorry, it's now time for Harry Potter's World. So we're here. Our entry pass there is at 5 p.m. So we're going to Hogwarts and do some wizardry. I'm not a Potterhead guy, so please bear with me. Hindi naman sa nakikihype, but I've at least watched the movie, but I'm not someone who has read the entire book. Here, we're here at the entrance. Our first ride, the Forbidden... Ano ba yun? The Forbidden... Teka, I check. The Forbidden Ride. Check. Ang daming tao ngayon, guys. It's the Forbidden Journey. Yan. So 5:20 yung ride namin sa Forbidden Journey, guys. We're on our way there. Madali lang naman siya kasi nasa map, pero ang daming tao ngayon. So we're now lining up for the ride. Yan, exciting. I have no idea what this ride is because I have not done my research. It was I who planned the Universal Studios and I was the one who planned for the Disney Sea. Meron din parang a mini roller coaster dyan. Dyan tayo after. Pero look at this, guys. Ang ganda. Bawal yung phone at saka bawal mag-record kasi it's not too extreme in a way, but it was very sobrang ganda, I highly recommend that you try this ride. It's Forbidden Journey. Hindi ko ma-explain, but it's like you're really in the world of Harry Potter and then you're flying with a broomstick. Yun yung experience, yun yung feeling. So after nung ride, kinuha ko na yung gamit ko sa lockers kasi you have to leave your bags and then your bags sa locker. And then andito na yung merch or yung store upon exit as usual. Ganun naman talaga after ride, merong store upon exit in case may gusto kayong bilhin. And dito, of course, it's Harry Potter themed. Pero sobrang ganda ng rides, guys. Basta, sobrang ganda. You should try. Yung buong castle na yan, yung buong area na yan, andyan yung indoor roller coaster. Pero hindi na siya basta-bastang roller coaster kasi pwede kang, meron siyang 3D visuals. Sobrang ganda talaga, guys. I would rate it 1,000 over 10. How would you rate it, Ye?
It's like the Peter Pan. 1 million over 10.
Oh yeah, it's
Peter
actually...
Pan next to Disney.
Yeah, medyo similar siya ng experience sa Peter Pan sa Disneyland. Sa Disney Sea, kaso naka-glasses. And then, walang paikot-ikot dito kasi pwede kang umikot baliktad. Tapos
siya.
Walang glasses. Sobrang ganda. Like mini roller coaster lang dito. Hindi naman ganun kahaba yung pila, I think. And mabilis lang siya. Ayan pala yung house ni... Sorry guys, ang hirap. Kanina ko pa iniisip kaninong house to. Yung professor ba nila yon? Yung may ganyan na bike. Yung nagsundo kay nagsundo ba yun ni Peter Pan? Nagsundo kay Harry Potter. Oh my god, ang hirap pag hindi ka Potterhead tapos nandito. But I'm still enjoying, guys. Guys, so we're now here in the restaurant sa loob ng Harry Potter World. So hindi na kami nakatuloy dun sa mini roller coaster ride kasi umulan and then walang shelter yung waiting line, so we have to skip that. So we haven't tried the butter beer yet. Kaso yung butter beer alone na order nasa labas din, outdoor. Kaso umulan, so that's why we have to get here. Pero umorder din kami ng like dessert kasi busog pa ako nung kinain namin kanina like 3 or 4 p.m. So yun. So we just ordered like 2 butter beer and 1 dessert. Guys, how amazing is this? Like, it feels like I'm entirely in a different world. Diba? It's like living the Harry Potter life. Here's our order tonight, guys. We have the butter beer, which is cold, and tart.
Kaso,
Let's go ahead and try. Na-try ko na, guys. Sorry. Guys, na-try ko na siya na masarap pala siya. It's like a soda na caramel, butter caramel flavor. Yung ganon. I like it. So guys, after namin kumain dun sa The Three Broomsticks, lumabas na kami sa Harry Potter's world. We're trying to see if meron pa kaming ibang attraction na mapuntahan. Guys, yung ride na dun sa Jurassic World ba na flying dinosaur ba yun? Even up to now, at this time, it's like 7:30 p.m. Andun pa rin siya, and sobrang lamig. Ma-imagine ko yung lamig sa mga sumasakay dyan. Pero I think dahil nakakaba, I don't know, hindi ko maisip kung anong feeling na nakasakay doon. Wala na kaming mga ibang rides na naabutan. So I guess, let's call it a day. Anyways, we enjoyed the day. Yung number one na pinakamagandang ride na take namin today is yung The Forbidden Journey sa Harry Potter's world. And then, ngayon mamimili na lang kami ng mga merch. Konting merch. Same sa Hong Kong Disney Sea. Yan. Fun for today. And we got some merch. No risk. Kasi yung mga binili ko sa Disneyland and dito sa Disney Sea pala, and dito sa Universal Studios, mag-haul tayo. Although this is not much, so I just want to share with you guys kung ano mga nabili namin. Andun yung hotel namin, so before kami umuwi ng hotel, kakain muna kami ng dinner. So siguro dito kami magdi-dinner. Ayan, ang homey. Mura lang din dito, guys, compared sa napuntahan namin. Excuse. Oh yeah. English. New order. Gusto ko mag-ramen. Ito lang. Oh, ito lang ba? Recommendations. Nagre-range siguro siya ng 500 to 1,000. Meron mas mahal doon, pero can you imagine a food for like 500 is mura na. Actually, meron nga 480 pala. Yeah, around 500 nga. Tapos yung mga side dishes from 210. Okay dito, pero let's see if masarap ba. Ayun guys, yung ordered ko is yung grilled salmon and natto combo. Super curious ako neto kasi I've seen a YouTube video na yung mainit na rice na lagyan ng raw egg at saka yung natto. I'm not sure din kung anong lasa na natto. Para kasi siyang very sticky na parang mga beans. So I'm curious, so try natin yan ngayon. It's only 670 yen, so about maybe 200 pesos. I'm not sure kung ano yung natto, pero I've seen it sa mga YouTube videos na they put it it's a combination sa hot rice, raw egg, at saka yung natto, and sobrang sarap daw. So I'm curious lang, so tikman natin ngayon. Curious ako kung anong lasa nito kasi sabi masarap daw talaga. I'm not sure if this is going to work. Meron siyang kasamang mga ganito, so siguro i-mix ko na lang. Actually, it's not that bad, guys. I mean, I know na para siyang malagkit na ayun yung parang okra texture, pero Okay actually siya, para siyang milky na rice. Nagiging milky yung rice. Meron siyang grilled salmon at saka seaweed and side dish. So kain mo na ako. Dala ko nas.